Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, Today we'll be doing lead code 3206 for the sliding window problems. It's also easy one. You guys can skip all the easy ones and directly go to mediums, or you can skip the sliding window problems completely if you feel you're comfortable with the problems. But I feel sliding window is one of the trickiest problems, so I am sticking to sliding window for some time at least. So, so the problem is lead code 3206, alternating groups 1. The problem statement is there is a cycle of red and blue tiles. Okay, fine. You are given an array of integers colors. The color of the tile is represented by color. Okay, so the ith index in the colors array will represent the color as red or blue. If the value is 0, then it is red. If the value is 1, then it is blue. Every three contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. The every three every three contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. The middle tile has a different color from its left and right tiles. Okay, it's called an alternating group, obviously. Okay, that in the number of alternating groups. That since colors represent a circle, the first and the last tiles are considered to be next to each other. So here we have to count the number of alternating tiles. So we have to check every three contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. Okay, it's called alternating group. Okay, we have to find the number of alternating groups. So in this case, there are three elements, and if the middle tile is different, like if it is 0, then we will return 1, or if the last elements are 0 and 0 and the middle one is 1, then also you will be returning 1, but all three of them are of the same number, so it won't be uh, 1, it will be 0. So we have to take series of 3. So for this guys, it is 1. We can consider this 1. And for okay, let's see how we got 3 here. I can see 2, which is 0 1 0 and 0 1 0, but I am unable to see the third one. So let's see from the explanation. So he's saying 1 here, 3 4 and 0, which is this 3 4 and 0, 4 0 1. Okay, so 4 0, this is 4 1 0 1. Okay, we missed this one. So I hope you guys understand. So how many iterations we should do is, uh, we have to do one slide with 3 and next 3 and the next 3 and the next 3 and the next 3. So we can use for loop here. What we'll be doing is, open just length of. Yellow you length of colors. Hmm. Since we were given three tiles, second equals to I 5% 1 plus length of colors and 5% 2 plus length of colors. Let's try printing them to check uh, if we are getting the way we are expecting. So it should give values like 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. In this case, it should give 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 0, and 4, 0, 1. Let's see, we are getting the expected numbers. Pulse is not defined. Plus, it's a typo. Let's check again. Oh, here it is. Let's see. None is not valid value for expected return type integer. Oh, let's do one thing. Let's return 0 for now, or we can leave it as it is because we can see the standard output here 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, and 2, 0, 1 for first case. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. Now let's see. See 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. So it's checking all the cases. Now we have to check if first equal to third does not equals to second. Let's see if it is working fine. Probably. Oh, sorry. The first will not like it will never be same because we're comparing indexes instead of values. So let's do one thing. See, it's working fine. Let me explain the intuition once again. What we are doing is uh, we are considering this as a circle, like we'll go from here to here, here and here until the our pointer reaches here. So uh, same goes like this. We are keeping a pointer, we are moving pointer to next element, uh, and if we reach the end, then we'll retrieving the remaining element, like it is 0 1, right? So I'll be retrieving the next 0 from here, and the final element is only one element, so we are retrieving the remaining two from here, since we need three tiles, three consecutive tiles. So uh, we are taking I% length of colors. Since we are extensively using it these many times, we define it here, and it will make it look cleaner, simpler. Let's try submitting it. I'm submitting it. There are few answers. How many test cases it is? It's 195 test cases, and there are, like, we are placed with very last. I don't know if it can go faster than linear. Maybe they are handling an edge case uh, before, like edge case, without doing order of n searches, and we are not using any extra space. It will be from 17 to 17 point, like 17.4 to 17.9, so it will be order of one. And as he's saying, we are comparing the last two tiles, the first tile and the third tile. If the both are same and the middle tile is different, then we are considering it a what is it, the alternating group. And let's review the other answers too. So what he's doing is maybe adding the modulo is impacting our code. We could do this, like do the same, like the one that's being doing done here. Let's see what he's doing. So he's taking colors first. Color. Oh, okay. So he is extending the list by adding the last two elements to the last. No, that's also a very creative approach. It will reduce the extra computation of this uh, modulo. And what's being done here is, okay, he is handling it with multiple if conditions. It might give us a better time complexity, but not time complexity. It will reduce time by 5 to 6 seconds for all the test cases, but it's not optimal because it seems very cranky, and we cannot simply uh, understand it. Okay. Now he's doing the same thing as us, but instead of doing it, storing it, he is directly doing the thing here itself. Inside. That's one way to do. Let's see the next one. The same thing. he's doing is he's doing the same. Yeah, I think it's not necessary because we are not uh, going outside ice. Instead of first, we can directly pass itself. Right. And later, yeah, okay, fine. He's doing good as well. Left, middle, and right. He's taking left, middle, and right. Fine. Yeah, it's one. This is one good way to compute only one with modulo. Let's see how the number one is doing. Plus minus one plus is zero. So he's doing the extend thing here, and um, it seems there are no handling for the edge cases. It's just our time of submission is a little bad, and I hope you guys understood. And keep learning, work hard, and let's learn together. Bye, guys.